everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Tree Hut Sugar Scrub. It's received 4.7 out of 5 stars and it's the #1 Amazon bestseller. So I'm really excited to introduce to you a product that has been transforming skincare routines all over the world. Now, this is the Tree Hut Sugar Scrub. So if you're someone who loves smooth, glowing, and healthy skin, then you're going to want to hear about this. So let's start by talking about why exfoliation is so important to your skincare routine. The skin naturally sheds dead skin cells every day, but sometimes it needs a little help to slough off those dead layers, especially as we age. If you're not exfoliating regularly, you might notice dry patches, dullness, and even clogged pores. This is where Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub comes in to save the day. So what makes this sugar scrub so special? First off, Tree Hut is known for using natural, high-quality ingredients that actually work. And the key ingredient in the sugar scrub is 100% pure shea butter. Now, shea butter is famous for being a powerful moisturizer. It's packed with vitamins like A and E that nourish and protect your skin. But this isn't just any shea butter. Tree Hut makes sure it's ethically sourced so you can feel good about using it on your body. On top of the shea butter, the scrub contains real sugar granules. These sugar particles act as the exfoliant, gently buffering away the dead skin cells. Why sugar though? Well, because it's natural and dissolves easily, ensuring that you're exfoliating effectively without scratching or irritating your skin. It's tough on rough skin, but gentle enough for all skin types. But the ingredients don't stop there. Tree Hut has infused this scrub with a blend of natural oils like sweet almond oil, avocado oil, and orange oil. These oils not only moisturize, but also help to lock in hydration, leaving your skin feeling incredibly soft and smooth after every use. When you first open a jar of Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub, you're greeted with a rich, luscious texture. It's thick and creamy and feels indulgent even before you apply it. And then there's the scent. Tree Hut has a wide variety of scents, each more delicious than the last. Whether you're loving something fruity like tropical mango or prefer the soothing aroma of coconut lime, there's a scent for everyone. And let me tell you, these are the kind of scents that linger lightly on your skin, giving you that spa-like experience at home. Now imagine being in the shower. You take a small scoop of the scrub, rub it between your hands, and start applying it in circular motions across your skin. As you work it in, you can feel the sugar granules gently exfoliating, getting rid of all of that rough, dry skin that's been holding you back from that soft, radiant glow. The scrub starts to dissolve, and what's left is this luxurious, silky moisture that instantly makes your skin feel smoother and more hydrated. After rinsing it off, you'll notice an immediate difference. Your skin will feel polished, soft, and incredibly smooth to the touch. That post-scrub glow is unbeatable. With regular use, about 2 to 3 times a week, you're not just helping your skin look great in the short term, you're improving its texture and health over time. The shea butter and oils work to keep your skin hydrated, and the sugar ensures your skin is always soft and smooth. Whether you struggle with dry patches, rough elbows, or even those tiny bumps on the back of your arms, Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub is your go-to solution. It's like giving your skin a reset button. Plus, it's not just about how your skin looks, it's about how it feels. Silky, smooth, and moisturized without needing to layer on a ton of products afterwards. This scrub is truly for everyone. If you're someone who wants to achieve that baby soft skin year-round, if you're preparing for a special event and you want your skin to glow, or if you want to pamper yourself after a long day, Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub is a fantastic addition to your skincare routine. It's perfect for prepping your skin before shaving or applying or even just a luxurious treat whenever you need a little self-care. And for those of you who are particular about the products you use, don't worry. Tree Hut is cruelty-free, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. So you can exfoliate with peace of mind knowing you're using something that's safe and gentle on your skin. Tree Hut has built a reputation over the years as a brand that prioritizes quality and effectiveness without breaking the bank. You're getting a premium product that rivals those high-end luxury body scrubs, but at a fraction of the price. And with Tree Hut, you know you're investing in something that has been tried, tested, and loved by thousands of people. If you're looking for a product that's going to give you instantly softer, smoother skin while also nourishing and hydrating, Tree Hut Shea Sugar Scrub is it. It combines the power of natural ingredients like shea butter, sugar, and essential oils to create a truly indulgent experience every time you use it. So, whether you want to rejuvenate your skin or just indulge in a little luxury in your daily routine, Tree Hut Sugar Scrub is the perfect choice. Try it once and you'll be hooked, and your skin will thank you. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.